quite a few holes want filling in this frame, screw holes, but I'm limited on the filler I've got. So I'm just going to use some pegs, backfill, and then just fine fill the surface. Waste more time going and trying to find some filler. I can get away with the little bit that I've got. So with the pegs, just want to tap them home until they break. Be a little bit sitting over the surface, but that'll sand back, and then, like I say, fine surface filler. Well, this will save me time and money. So time, I don't need to go off looking for a filler. And again, with this only being fine surface filling, then it'll go off a lot quicker. There's no depth to it. And money, yeah, well, no fuel, and I don't have to go and buy any more filler just for doing these little bits. If you've got great distances to travel, sometimes you do need something like this that will just get you through. I'll leave them to dry, give it a light sand, and that's ready for an undercoat. Also, depending on how rough this woodwork is, you can save time and money on sanding. So, lightly draw your paint scraper across, just knocking all the nibs off. Not actually wanting to bite through the paintwork, literally just want to take all those heavy nibs off. Straight away, that's saved me sandpaper and time, because now I can just lightly wipe that over. There's no nibs in it. That's 3 windows filled, sanded and undercoated. It's an oil based undercoat I've used. Looking pretty good. Had a repair to do on that one. There was a bit of split wood at the top where the furniture was. Another tip as well, I didn't have any drill with me today, but all I do carry in my box is self-drilling screws. Perfect, go into hardwood really well. So if you've no drill, carry some of them in your box.